Here's a quick run through on how to back up your room data and restore a room. So if you have a room like this one that has got several pages and a lot of content, you can now easily back it up. So this one has got 6 pages. So from the room menu, just choose backup, save room snapshot. This will save a JSON file, which is basically a text file that you can then import into another room, or you could later on use to restore this room. But note, it restores the entire room and all the pages. So let's go back to our room list and create a new room. Let's call this one restore. Obviously this is an empty room, nothing on the canvas, only one page. And so we can now load the room snapshot that we've created. You get a little warning saying that everything will be replaced, which it will be. So you can see now we've got all 6 pages here and the whole room has been restored. So you can see how this is useful for creating backups in case maybe something goes wrong, or maybe you want to create a room template for a particular room layout that you can then load at the beginning of each session, or indeed just to restore an entire room. So I hope you find that useful.